and what that means to you and me, that would mean if that happened here in Orange County, every single firefighter on duty today and then some would lose their lives instantly. That's what it means to us, and we think about it just about every day, especially today. The United States Fire Service enjoys a rich heritage with many traditions dating back more than 200 years. One such tradition is the sounding of the bell. In the past, as firefighters began their tour of duty, it was the bell that signaled the beginning of that day's shift. Throughout the day and night, every emergency was noted by the sounding of the bell, which summoned firefighters to assemble to fight fires and other emergencies, placing their lives in jeopardy for the good of their fellow citizens. And when the firefighter was out and the emergency had come to an end, it was the ringing of the bell 3 times that signified the alarm had finished and all were safe. When a firefighter had died in the line of duty, paying the ultimate sacrifice, as many of us did on 9/11, it was a special toll of the bell that solemnly announced a line of duty death for all firefighters on duty. We utilize these traditions as symbols which reflect the honor and respect for those who have given so much and those who have served so well. To symbolize the devotion that these brave souls had for their duty, a special tolling of the bell 5 times for 3 cycles is customary. This represents the end of our comrades' duties and signifies they have responded to their last alarm. And so those who gave selflessly have given their lives for the good of their fellow citizens on 9/11, to our military personnel who have paid the ultimate sacrifice so that we can live in a free nation, their duties complete. With that said, before we strike the bell, what 9/11 means to me personally is unification. You know, there was a moment in our nation's history, put aside all the controversy you're seeing today, after 9/11, what I noticed and what was magnified for me is we were all Americans. It really didn't matter who you were or where you were from. Everyone was waving the American flag in unity. And I think we need to think about that and get back to that, hopefully soon. So today, the bell is struck 5 times for 3 cycles, passing between strikes as cycles. Please sound the bell. Firefighters, please lower the flag to half staff.
Thank you.
Thank you for your attendance, your solemn gratitude. May God bless you, and shall we never forget. Thank you.